The correct way to take turmeric to boost your brain and liver function. For many years, turmeric has been part of the Asian cuisine. Today, this spice has also become very popular in the US. Besides being used in cooking, turmeric is an effective natural remedy that will help you to treat a great number of conditions. You may know some of its popular health benefits, but did you know that this spice can promote your brain health as well? How turmeric benefits your mental health. It is well known that turmeric has become a popular ingredient commonly used in alternative medicine. It provides a positive effect for treating numerous physical problems and conditions. However, its effect on our mental health is still unknown. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is extremely beneficial for treating Alzheimer's disease. However, scientists are still examining the mental health benefits of this amazing ingredient. The accumulation of beta amyloid plaques in the brain contributes to the development of Alzheimer's disease. A recent study showed that curcumin has the ability to lower this accumulation by 40%. In other words, turmeric could be one of the possible methods for treating this disease. Besides having the ability to prevent plaque accumulation in the brain, curcumin possesses powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can prevent damage caused by inflammation or other oxidizing agents. According to some studies, turmeric is a natural remedy for treating depression. Turmeric benefits for liver health and its cancer preventative properties. Despite promoting mental health, turmeric is very beneficial for your liver as well. For centuries, curcumin has been used for treating liver disorders and diseases. Recent studies confirmed the liver protective properties of turmeric. Its effectiveness is mostly due to its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is scientifically shown that turmeric has the ability to reduce liver damage caused by cirrhosis, liver disease, excessive alcohol consumption, high toxicity, iron overdose. Furthermore, recent studies showed that turmeric can reduce the risk of liver cancer, including hepatocellular carcinoma, which is known as the most common type. In fact, turmeric reduces the effects of human carcinogens, including thioacetamide on the liver, which in turn reduces your risk of cancer. The best way to add turmeric to your diet. Even though turmeric offers plenty of health benefits, it seems that our body is not able to absorb curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. This means that we will not obtain all of its astonishing benefits. Taking just the spice will cause absorption of just 1% of curcumin, which is extremely low for it to have a great effect on your overall health. So is there a way we can improve its absorption? First of all, it is very important to buy high quality, organic turmeric with a high percentage of curcuminoids, 95%. To increase the bioavailability of curcumin, make sure to consume the turmeric together with black pepper. Black piperine content will increase the bioavailability of curcumin by 1000 times. Always consume turmeric with some type of healthy fat, like coconut oil. Turmeric is fat soluble, so by consuming it with some type of healthy fat, you are improving its absorption. If you use it properly and regularly, even a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric is enough to obtain its benefits. This will prevent different conditions and health problems. Turmeric water. The regular consumption of turmeric water will increase your intake of turmeric. It is very easy and simple to prepare. Just follow the instructions below. Needed ingredients: 1 to 2 cups water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper. Directions: you should bring the water to a boil. Add the turmeric powder and cook for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, add the black pepper and let it cool. Enjoy your glass of turmeric water. Turmeric and healthy fats. As we said before, you can combine turmeric with coconut oil or another source of healthy fats. In this way, you will increase its absorption and its health benefits. Needed ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. 2 cups coconut milk. A pinch of black pepper. Directions. Mix all the ingredients in a small pot and heat them up. However, don't let the mixture reach its boiling point. Consume this while it is still warm.